Welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to repost someone's Instagram story to your story. So for the purpose of this video right now, I'm just going to open a story right here, and let's say this one. So as you can see right here, this story was reposted by this person. Right here, as you can see, we can tap on the person that we can see the person that shared the story first, and then we can see that the story was reposted. So the reason is because this person is tagged in this story. So in order for you to be able to repost the story, you should be tagged in that story, because right here, if I'm going to tap on this little message right here, as you can see, I do not have the option to repost the story because I was not tagged in this story. So the thing is that if you will be able to repost the story just if you were tagged on it, but there is other option as well. Let's say right here I was not tagged in this story, but I want to repost it. I can just take a quick screenshot of the story, or if there is a video, I can just screen record this video and then I can post it to my story. So this is all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.